Understanding Cash Flow Projection, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an important concept in the business world, known as cash flow projection. If you're curious about managing finances or planning for a business, you'll find this topic incredibly useful. So, let's break it down together, making it simple and easy to understand. Cash flow projection is a financial tool used by businesses to estimate the amount of money expected to flow in and out over a certain period. It's like a future diary for a business's finances, helping predict whether the business will have enough cash to run its operations or need to find more funds. This projection includes all the cash the business expects to receive from sales, loans, and investments, minus the cash it expects to spend on expenses, purchases, and other payments. Understanding and managing your cash flow projection is crucial for several reasons. Planning. It helps businesses plan for the future, ensuring they have enough money to cover upcoming expenses. Risk management. It identifies potential shortfalls in cash balances in advance, allowing time to take action. Investment decisions. It assists in deciding whether the business can afford to invest in new projects or assets. Loan applications. It provides lenders with a clear picture of the business's financial health, increasing the chances of loan approval. Creating a cash flow projection involves a few key steps. 1. Estimate incoming cash. Determine all the sources of income your business expects, including sales and external investments. 2. Estimate outgoing cash. List all expected expenses, such as salaries, rent, and material costs. 3. Subtract outgoing from incoming cash. This calculation will show you your net cash flow for the period, helping you understand if you'll end up with a surplus or a deficit. 4. Adjust based on past trends. Use historical financial data to adjust your projections, making them as realistic as possible. 5. Review regularly. Update your projection frequently to reflect any changes in your business situation or market conditions. Thank you for joining us to explore cash flow projection. We hope this video has demystified the concept and shown you how crucial it is for business planning and financial management. Remember, a well-prepared cash flow projection can be the difference between a business's success and struggle. So, take the time to understand it, use it, and keep your business's finances on track. See you in our next video, and happy learning!